Considered one of the largest caves in West Africa, Ogbaukwu Cave presents one of the greatest natural tourist attractions in Anambra State, southeast Nigeria. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's edition of Oahu Destination Guide, I will be guiding you guys to Ogbaukwu Cave and Waterfalls. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Hidden away in the busy routes that crisscross Anambra State, the Ogbaukwu Cave and Waterfall are located in Owerre, Ezukala, a community in Orumba South local government area of Anambra State. Abuhu Caves and Waterfalls, which was discovered centuries ago, is one of the most populous caves in Nigeria and the second most popular in Anambra State after Ogbunike Cave. People come from far and wide to explore these amazing wonders of nature. Owahu Cave and Waterfall present one of the greatest destinations for adventure. While at the cave, you can go on a short or long distance hike. There are two waterfalls at the cave, while the cave consists of two sections. The first section is a large rock shelter with a big arena and a pathway that serves as a bat sanctuary. The second section of the cave is a chamber with an entrance and two exit points, one in the front and the other one at the back. To exit the cave through the back, you have to go through an underground tunnel and make your way out of the cave through its back exit. To explore the Ogbaukwu environments more, you can go on a long or short distance hike to Isimiri Waterfall and Pool at the top of the cave. The short distance hike takes you through the front of the cave to the top, while the long distance hike takes you through the back of the cave or through the waterway to the top of the cave. To encourage people to visit and explore the cave, the community celebrates our festival. Our festival is a day set aside to celebrate the discovery of the cave. Our festival is an annual event which takes place every last Saturday and Sunday in the month of May. To get to Abuhu Cave from Enugu, take a vehicle from Gariki going to Okigwe, stop at Lelu Junction and take another vehicle going to Umunze, then stop at Ezukala Junction and take a bike to the cave. If you are coming from Owerre, Aba, Umuahia, Port Harcourt or Uyo, enter a vehicle going to Enugu, stop at Lelu Junction, take another vehicle going to Umunze, then stop at Ezukala Junction, then take a bike to the cave. But if you are coming from Oka, Onitsha or Asaba, take a vehicle going to Umunze. When you get to Umunze, take a bike to Ezukala. If you are mobile, use the Google Map as the Google Map direction to the cave is accurate. If you wish to explore Ezukala Cave and Waterfall, there are usually a community designated tour guide to the cave who can give you a tour. They usually charge between 1,000 naira to 200 naira depending on the number of people visiting.